is your name?
On it. Okay.
How old are you?
3 years old.
Very good. What is your favorite color?
Red.
What is your favorite animals?
Elephant.
Elephant. What is your favorite shape?
Lion coat.
A triangle. What is your favorite letters?
A.
A letter S. What is your favorite number?
15.
Ay, 15. What is your favorite planet?
Neptune.
Neptune day. You want to gusto ka dito magpuyo na? Sige. Sa body part, what is your favorite body part? Sa body part ha? Your
Poet.
taka. Sige, what is your favorite vehicle na lang? Si what is your favorite vehicle? Sa body part na, what is your favorite? Your eyes ba, your nose or mouth? Where's your favorite? What is your favorite? Your
Eyes.
wow, your eyes.
What's your hand?